This is lesson 4. On lesson 4 we are going to combine the MOSFET and the charging IC. Let me give you a simple diagram. So we have charger, then we have, let's draw a simple diagram here, and then we have battery, we have our battery, and then we have the MOSFET for the charger, as we have learned. Then we have the MOSFET for the battery. Also the battery uses a MOSFET to charge. Then we have our charging IC here. So this is battery, MOSFET. This is charger, MOSFET, and this is the BQ chip. The MOSFET have 8 lines, 1 2 3 4, 8 pins, and here 1 2 3 4. Same here, like that. So the gate of the MOSFETs, say let's say this is the gate for the charger. The gate here, which was 25 volts, goes direct to the BQ chip. Okay, the gate of the battery MOSFET goes to the BQ chip. Are we together? So these are connected to the charger like that, then these are connected to the battery like that. Okay, gate pin, and this is the gate pin. So the gate pins of the MOSFET are connected to the BQ chip. So the BQ chip is the one that will decide when to close and to open the MOSFET, because we are changing from the battery to the charger. So when we plug in a charger, the BQ chip closes the battery MOSFET and only allows the charging current. And when we remove the charger, the BQ chip closes the charger MOSFET and allows the battery MOSFET to take over. So that's the relationship of the MOSFET and the charging IC. So as you can see here, I have this is another laptop. This I think is HP 15. So we have the charging port here, then our MOSFETs are here, you see. Let me show you under the microscope. So this is the gate of the charger MOSFET, this one. Okay, the gate is connected here to this resistor there. So if we measure from there to the charging IC, which is around pin number 4 there, so from there you can hear my meter beeping. So I have a resistance of 0.1, so that means continuity. Yeah. So when we go to the battery MOSFET, we can measure. The gate is here. You can see this pin, this last pin is along this one and is connected to this capacitor. You see, this capacitor goes, there's a line there that goes to this MOSFET. So this is our gate pin. The gate pin is connected here. If we confirm the battery MOSFET, we can hear also there is continuity. So means that these two MOSFET, we have, this is the charging MOSFET, the charger MOSFET, and this is the battery MOSFET. All these two are connected to the charging IC, which is the BQ chip. So the BQ chip is the one that is controlling the gates of these two MOSFET. So if you plug in the charger, it closes this gate and allows this MOSFET to open. So that is how it works. So this is the charging IC, and here is our battery connector. So if we want to confirm if this is the battery MOSFET, so this is the battery connector. So we can measure just continuity from here up to the battery. So these are the source pins. You see, they connect. You can hear my multimeter beeping, so that means there is continuity. So let's go on the schematics. We confirm if this is true. So this is how the BQ chip looks on schematics. So this is the schematic for this laptop. So this is the BQ2473. So you can see the AC drive is connected to the MOSFET. Here you can see it. Then we have also pin number battery drive. We have also pin number 11 is connected to the battery. So the BQ chip is the one that is switching between the charger and the battery. So BQ chip is short, your laptop won't charge and the battery won't work. So as you can see, we have only talked about how many pins? About 4 pins: the AC drive, the regulated internal voltage, the VCC, and the battery drive. But we have also other pins that we should learn. So for you to know more about this, you should register to our class, either online or physical, and you'll get to know more about this. So that is all for lesson 4. See you on lesson 5.